They're gonna sit on your lap, and that's gonna hurt.
This is hot, dude.
Yeah,
Santa Claus. He was Santa one year.
Yeah, you're gonna get hot in there. I got hot.
Guys walk like this.
Wait. Santa. You have to say hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
This is so funny. They can all scream.
Yeah, and I got hella hair in my mouth too. Is it the hair?
When they're done singing, I told me how to sing her and you won't come out.
Here, let me.
Is it coming out when you're singing?
Is it?
I know. Oh my god. Napkins died.
Santa Claus is, she's in the bakery. Having fun. Her bakery is in the North Pole.
Ready? Okay, so this is the first one. Oh, wait, you gotta back up. Back up. Way back. It should be in the order. No, that one. The one I'm gonna call. Hold on. Okay, the first name I'm gonna call that is the visit Sam is EO.
Ooh.
Been a good boy? Good boy? You listen? Huh?
Oh my god.
It should be either or. Either or.
You a good boy? You listen to your mommy and daddy?
Santa did, Melanie.
I did, yeah.
No, Melanie. Who got the showing thing? Santa and Melanie.
Huh?
Because you know how they're giving gifts to them. Yeah, and then you were like, who gave them?
You want to open it? Take it over. Santa, get a high five?
It's okay.
Next one is Marissa.
Marissa! You a good girl? You're welcome. Santa, get a high five? Yeah.
That's so.
That's a school.
She's gonna sit on his lap.
Do I just sit?
I'm only Santa Claus.
Really? I'm going next anyway, go. Ow! Really? No, I put on Santa's lap too. It's just Santa.
That's a good boy. He's been a good boy. Good boy.
Go sit on his lap, Athena!